Check that out, folks. Boom, that is my first frogfish on video of the year. He ate it. Good afternoon, folks. Just made it to Cedar Lake. Took me a while to get here. Had to pump some grease in the hubs on the trailer. I got a leak I got to fix. Got to seal out, I guess. Had some kind of little bit of milky water in there. That happens when you buy a new product. You got to go through it and you're going to find some surprises. But I made it to the lake. There's quite a few people out here fishing. Talked to some guys that were fishing for crappie. They're catching some small ones. Got everything in the boat. Got enough rods to cover any possible situation I can encounter. I just talked to Ron. He's putting in up at the other ramp, and imagine I'll bump into him sometime today. We can kind of compare notes and see what's going on. But I'm gonna fish shallow, guys. It's that time of year. It's a beautiful day. It's 70 degrees. I'm overdressed. This is coming off. Did not bring any shorts. I should. I need to tan my legs, man. It's pretty bad. You know, this virus that we got going around, people are going to have to work on their tan the hard old-fashioned way. The tanning beds are shut down, so it's going to be about getting out here and getting in the sun and getting some of that genuine vitamin D. Yes, that's good for the soul. So I'm gonna get out here and get after it, put my boat in. I'm kind of waiting for the ramp to clear up. There's a lot of boats coming in and out. Looks like it's about my turn. I'm gonna put some sunscreen on my neck and my nose, get in the water and twinkle my toes and see what happens. See you shortly. We go. Good old jig fish. I love this jig. That was fun. That's in the moss color with the rage crawl in the back. Got hung up on this log, having problems getting off of it. Hopefully I can drift off. Another jig fish. It's like the jig is finally starting to warm up. Been trying it here and there, but it's not been working real well. Nice fish. Check that out, folks. Boom, that is my first frog fish on video of the year. He ate it. That's awesome. Just smashed it. I was just fishing this little underwater point out here with some grass on it. Just thought I'd give it a little, I don't know, 10 minutes to see what happens. That fish crushed it. It's awesome. Sidetracked. I saw a couple nice looking laydowns back there. Got my trolling motor fixed last night finally. You do it? Yeah. It's kind of scary though. I didn't think I was going to get it back together. Got these little cables that crisscross and they go a couple times around some spool. And you got a lot of tension in there. Yeah, I'll take some of that. Keep it.
I got tons of it.
Appreciate that. You have an house, settle flat and take the board.
I've run a trolling motor like that before. It will drive you nuts.
Well, I had to get all the way back here, starting to the left.
Because we're all conditioned to where that thing should be, you know. And when it's not that way, it's thinking about that instead of fishing.
Haven't found any bigs yet. Just pitched up underneath that tree. Caught this fish on a little beaver. It's kind of slow. I'm trying to figure out exactly what's going on. I've seen some fish that have kind of pulled off a little bit and they're holding out in about 10 foot. But I think I'm just going to keep covering the shallow water. Come up with what I can come up with. Seems like the jig and the beaver is getting a few bites today. Dang it, it was a good fish. Got me hung up in that laydown. Alright guys, it's a little bit tougher out here. Just ran into Ron and he caught one fish. Of course that's about 20 minutes ago. So I just missed a good fish on a jig. And I'm gonna fish this bank really slow. But the water temp is got 62.3. It's been like 59 to 62-ish. And it's starting to clear up. You know, it's probably got about 2 foot of visibility, so it looks really good. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon, and I'm hoping the bite turns on. So stay tuned. Spinnerbait fish. Man, I've been fishing all day trying to catch a big fish, and just hasn't happened yet. I've been keeping that jig and that D-bomb in my hand, flipping a lot of wood, shallow spawning areas. It's not happening. So I don't know. Pick up this little spinnerbait, try to catch a few fish before I have to go. That fish got it good. Look at that. Yeah. Really wanted it. Pretty good fish. Wind just started to pick up. It's getting ready to rain. It's like the only thing I can get bit on is a stupid spinnerbait. I've been really trying to catch some bigger fish. They're out deeper. They've kind of pulled out, but I just don't feel like taking the time to try to figure them out. So that's a nice fish. I'll show you that little spinnerbait I was catching those fish on today. This is just a 1/4 ounce War Eagle. It's their finesse spinnerbait. It's got like that turtle blade and a little Colorado blade, so gold turtle blade, silver Colorado blade, white and chartreuse. I just picked this up because I knew the bite was tough, and I just felt confident if I keep this in my hand, I'm gonna pick up a few fish. Didn't think I would catch anything big. So far I haven't, but this is a good little spinnerbait. This works great in ponds too, but it's a good little spinnerbait. When the bite's a little bit off, you can slow roll it around this grass. It comes through the grass fairly good. Yeah, so, you know, had a good day today. I did catch my first frog fish on video, so, man, that was awesome. That fish totally crushed it, so I'm excited about that. That's a good sign. It means the fish are looking up a little bit. And I threw it a little bit more. I certainly didn't stay with it, and maybe I could have caught a few more fish if I would have tried that, but I can do that next time. But it's in the air right now. So the little spinnerbait, throw that little spinnerbait a little bit and you pick up some fish right now. There we go. It's a nice fish. You know, guys, it's a lot tougher today than it was last time I was out here. Like I said earlier, I kept that jig and that beaver in my hand. Just wasn't able to make it happen. I think these fish are a lot of them are on the outside of the grass line. Nice fish though. Appreciate you coming along. Subscribe if you haven't. Share it on social media. It just goes to show, man, every day is completely different. I came out here thinking that I was just going to pick up that jig or that beaver and, you know, catch me 20 pounds. And that didn't happen. So right now, I think your best bet is to, you know, pick up a spinnerbait or a chatterbait or something, cover some water to catch some fish, and then slow down if you want to get a chance catching something bigger. But each day is different right now. Things are changing fast. So appreciate you again, and until next time.